Hello, and thanks for checking out the Rollbar tip of the day. Today we're going to look at the item status and item level features. These are critical features for the main Rollbar workflow, and it allows you to control the state and priority level of those items that come into your main workflow. So these are the different options you have available from the item detail menu, and you can of course filter by these different fields on the main items list here. I can toggle different checkboxes for the types of levels I'd like to see there, and by default we'll only show the active items, but you can also see the other ones in your list, like those that are resolved as well. So manipulating the status can be accomplished easily through the item details menu. Any changes made here will persist. User feedback is going to be what is saved here if you make any changes to that state. So resolving that, you can resolve in a specific version if there are multiple versions in production. And then there's the muted status as well. So when you resolve something, it's possible for that to reactivate and retrigger notifications. But when you mute something, it will never reactivate itself. That's a way of fully deprioritizing that, saying that nobody needs to focus on that. And the levels, we have these named accordingly with the different log levels, but of course we mostly focus on error level events. That's what we send by default for stack traces. So with those, they default to the error level, and we encourage folks to change that to better suit their own workflows and use cases. And as a reminder, you can manipulate those fields through the Slack notifications that you receive as well. So buttons for both resolve and mute, as well as the ability to change the level plus assigning to a user. So all of that available in the Slack integration.